New Delhi, government's COVID-19 contact tracing app Arogya now lets registered users delete their accounts permanently. The app is used by 13.86 crore users and majority of the users are on Android. To use the Arogya Setu app, users need to register with their phone number, name, location and gender. To delete your account on the Arogya Setu app, go to Settings and tap to Delete My Account. To proceed with the action, you will have to enter your mobile number. This will cause all Arogya Setu app related data to be deleted from your mobile. However, your personal data will continue to remain on government servers and will be only deleted after 30 days. Arogya Setu has also rolled out an update through which it will tell you the approximate time and location of a possible infection risk. In case your status has been assessed as moderate risk or high risk, meaning your screen is yellow or orange, Arogya Setu will also let you know date, time and approximate location and duration of such BT contact with someone who has been diagnosed COVID positive, said Arogya Setu on Twitter. The Arogya Setu app is also available on iOS, KaiOS for JioPhone, and even in the IVRS form, which enables feature phone and landline users to register on the platform. However, there is no official word as to when this account deletion feature will be available on these platforms as well. Meanwhile, the government has released the source code of Arogya Setu Android app on GitHub. The developer community can review the source code of India's COVID-19 contact tracing app and understand how the entire process works and what personal information is processed through the app. The government had also changed the terms of service and privacy policy of Arogya Setu recently. Among other changes, the app will no longer suspend a user if she fails to comply with the terms of service of the app. The revised terms remove restrictions on tampering and reverse engineering, and adds contact information in case a user wants to report a defect, false case. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new technology updates.